Hi everyone, and today we are going to see about the WordPress dashboard. So whenever you log into your website, you see this page, right? So this is called as home page of the dashboard. Okay, there are a lot of options. You can see on the left hand side on the dashboard. We are going to see this one by one. Okay, but consider dashboard is really important thing, because whatever you see on the website, whether it's pages, post, blog post, comments, images, everything you are going to manage from here. Okay, so let's see what is on the home page. Okay, so once you come on this page, you will see the basic overview of your website, that is site health status. Okay, so you can see it is right now good. So when there is any issue, you will able to see it here. Then at a glance section gives you the theme or the WordPress version. Whenever you create the pages, blog post or the comments, it will come here. So recent activity will come here. Then there is option such as events, news. Okay, so whatever latest news events regarding WordPress will come here. Alright, next section is about the updates. As you know, we have installed the WordPress on our website. We are also going to install the theme and a plugin. Okay, so for now just remember, there is a WordPress, then there is a theme, and there is plugin installed on our websites. Okay, so whenever there is new version come for it will visible here. Okay, so if so right now you can see like it is up to date, but whenever a new version come, list will come here and there will be option to update, so you can manage that from here. Next option is about the post. So you can see here there is 4 options: all post, add post, categories and tags. Okay, so what is post? In simple language, it is a blog article. Okay, so whenever you are going to create the blogs on your website, you are going to create it from here. Then there is options such as category, tag. You can create categories and tags for that blogs. Okay, so this will get managed from here. Then the next option, that is media. Okay, so whatever images or PDF files or videos you are going to upload on your website will be done from this option. The next is pages. Okay, so what is pages? So on the website you see the pages like homepage, about, services, contact. Okay, so whatever those pages, those content you are going to manage from here. Okay, alright, so after the pages there is option called as comments. Okay, so whenever you visit any blog article, you will see the option of adding the comment, right? So like that, whenever user will add the comment on your blog post, it will come under here. Okay, the appearance. So in the appearance, as you can see, there is option like as theme, design, customize, widget, menu, right? So basically this appearance will used for designing your website. You will be adding theme from here, you will be changing the layout, you will be changing the font, color, logos, then you will create the menus. Everything will get managed from here. Then the plugins, we are going to add the plugins. Okay, so what is plugin? It is just like add-on functionality. So for example, then under users, all the users which are registered on our website will get displayed here, right? So that's all for the WordPress dashboard. I have also added this all the steps below this video. Okay, so whenever you stuck, you can check those steps. Thank you.